Hi, so in this video I'm going to show you a very simple trick and simple idea to make a flower. So there are loads of videos available, but this is for sure for everyone. So anyone can paint this. All you need is a paper, a 300 GSM paper, and here you can also use a 200 GSM paper. But here I'm going to place 5 dots using the pigment, basically just wet paint. And now taking clean water in my brush, I am going to just drag those dots in all the 5 directions. So basically, I am just dragging and pulling that color into the shape of the petals, and it's that easy. So let's repeat it again. So here you can see again 5 dots. Washed my brush, took clean water in it, and just dragging and pulling out the pigment. So this is a very simple technique of pulling which we use in watercolors, which are used in different ways. Now just add in some wildflowers by just putting some dots or some 3 lines together merging, and these wildflowers will just add in a color in your painting, and it will also be like a filler for the flower. Now you can see I took lemon yellow and olive green, mixed them together to add in the slightest green color first. So in watercolors it's better and it's always preferable to go from light to dark. So first we applied the light coat of the green stems going in the circular way. Just using the fine tip of the fine brush and making these lines, adding in some curved strokes, entangling them in together, and just adding in the dark green in few parts. This enhances, so there has to be a dark color and a light color in your painting. Now just take a color and place it inside, let it dry, and later you can add in the saying, whatever saying you want to. Thank you, you're welcome, Merry Christmas. Hope you will try and make one. Bye.